Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan with some great exterior features that include 17-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got black leather interior. This Caravan also comes equipped with power seat adjustments. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our hands-free calling, on the right we have our cruise control. This Caravan comes with 91,000 kilometers. Over in the middle on your touchscreen you've got your AM/FM radio along with your backup camera. Right below that you have your dual zone climate controls, followed by your heated steering wheel and heated seat buttons. Right below that we have our economy mode. Down at the bottom you have your Blu-ray DVD insert along with your outlets. Taking a look at your second row seats, we've got storage pouches in each of the seat backs. In the headliner here, you have your third set of climate controls along with 2 DVD players. For access to the third row, all you have to do is lift up on this tab here, and the seat will fold forward. The back of this Caravan comes with a ton of storage space with the third row seats folded up, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the third row easily folds down. To close the liftgate, you have a convenient power button located on the left-hand side. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan with some great interior features that include heated seats, tri-zone climate controls, a heated steering wheel, and 2 DVD players. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.